Hi there. Welcome to Get Kali. In this video, we'll discuss how to quickly set up your personal Kali account. The setup process has two parts, the web panel and the mobile app. Let's begin with the web panel. Log in to the web panel using your valid email and password. Once you log into the panel, you are taken to the dashboard. To start using Kali, you need to add a calling list. Hover over the calling list link on the top navigation bar and click on Standard Import. Since you are on Kali's personal plan, it entitles you to upload only one list with 50 numbers. Please ensure the file you upload is a CSV, XLS, or XLSX file with 3 mandatory fields: name, phone and notes. Enter a calling list name. Select the lead file you want to upload. Ensure it is a CSV, XLS or an XLSX file. This is a sample file for your reference. It contains 3 fields: name, phone, notes. Once selected, click on Upload File button to load leads to the Kali web panel. Kali Personal Subscription will automatically upload the top 50 unique numbers from the selected lead file. You will now need to map the fields in your XLS file with the respective fields in the Kali web panel. Since you are on Kali Personal, you can only map 3 fields, that is name, phone and notes. Mapping of all fields is mandatory. Map phone number. Map notes. Once you have mapped fields in your Excel file to respective fields in the Kali web panel, click on Import Data. As the data is imported successfully, you will be able to see the calling list created in the panel. This is the same list that will be available to you in the mobile app to make calls. You can click on the list name to see details of the leads imported. You can see all the leads imported on this page in the calling list you just created. The Kali Personal web panel setup is now complete. You will now need to install the mobile app on your Android or iPhone to make your first call. Details of the calls you made will be updated automatically with the web panel, and you can see the reporting for the calls done on this page. Let's begin the setup process in the Kali mobile app. To start, you will need to download the app from Android Play Store or iOS App Store. Once downloaded, you can log into the app with the username and password that you used to create an account on the web panel. As you download the Kali Android app, once you log in, the app will prompt you for the required permissions to work correctly. Click on Proceed. As you come to the next step, this is where you need to allow the permissions. Please allow all permissions by clicking on the respective button. All permissions are mandatory for the Kali app to function on your Android phone. Permission 1: allow Kali to access your phone call logs. Permission 2: allow Kali to make and manage the phone calls. Permission 3: allow Kali to show a pop over other apps. It will take you to the settings section in your Android phone where you can allow popover permission for the Kali app. Once all the permissions are approved, click on Getting Started Now. Once the permissions are done, you are brought to the Getting Started page that tells about how you can set up Kali web panel. Click on Start Calling Now. As you are on the dashboard, and we believe you have already uploaded your calling list in the web panel, you can now start calling. Click on the blue button. Click on Continue. You can see the lists you have uploaded. Click on the list you want to auto-dial. As the list is loaded successfully on your Android phone, you can now start auto-dialing by clicking on Start Calling Now button. Kali offers you different calling modes to choose from when making calls from an Android mobile phone. Standard mode, uninterrupted mode, app mode, WhatsApp mode. As you are on Kali Personal, you only have access to the standard mode. As the call is triggered, you can see the details of the number being called. At this screen, you can take 3 actions. You can cancel the call from being dialed. You can skip this number and go to the next number in the list, or if you want, you can load another list. The respective phone number is called from the mobile SIM card. As the call finishes, Kali offers you a post-call screen to update your call feedback. You can update call dispositions, feedbacks, send SMS, send email, send WhatsApp, mark this numbers as a D&D, schedule the call for the future date and update call notes. As a Kali personal user, you can reschedule the call and update call notes. Once filled, you can click on the next call button to call next number in the list. Kali will dial the next number in the list. In case you want to pause auto dialing, you can click on cancel and the list will be paused. You can see the dashboard for the calls done, pending calls and scheduled calls.